banana split.
What's the magic word? You don't even know how to say banana.
We run it. Come on. We have to do a better
No,
one.
it's fine. This one is fine. What
No,
do
it's
you
not.
want?
Banana split.
What's the magic word?
Please.
So this is my, I'm going to make, okay, overripe banana. Okay, this is for the toppings. And he want this one, of course. Okay, I'm advertising the name. Okay. I'm out of cherry fruit, so he said that's fine. Okay, I'll show you how to make it. So, ito ang banana. Simple lang pong aking gagawin. Hindi naman mapili ang aking asawa. So, sandali lang. Kukuha ko ng pabalatan ang saging. Pwede pong gumamit ng green na saging. Overripe na po itong banana ko. So, ganito lang po. Siyempre, banana. Ilalagay ko lang dyan. Yung banana ko naputol. Ilalagay ko ulit. Ano ba yun? Saan ba naputol? Diyos ko naman itong banana split na ito. Tapos, po, lalagyan ko na po ng ice cream. Ako ice cream. Ang ice cream lover. Pag ubi, ice cream, yummy. Gustong gusto ko. Pero pag ganito dito sa Amerika na, ayaw ko. Ito ang aking banana split. Mahilig siya sa dessert, kaya ito ginagawa ko lagi. Okay. Ganyan lang. Mataas ang sugar niya, magiging hyper na naman siya pag dinamihan ko. Ipapakita ko. Ganyan po. Ay, sorry. Ganyan ang itsura. Yan ang basurahan ko. Yan. Tapos, ba't ang puti ko? Ilalagay ko po itong syrup. Siyempre. Ganun. Shake muna. Shake. Simple lang gumawa ng dessert. Mabilis lang. Tapos, ganyan. Ganyan lang po ang dessert ng aking mahal na hari. Mahal na asawa. Ayan. It's ready. Napadami ako ng chocolate toppings. So, ito po ang So, ayan po ang itsura ng aking dessert. So, it's ready. It's already ready to serve. Kanina, ito po. Yan po, yung banana split ko. Pag minsan po, nilalagyan ko ng cherry dito sa top. Kasi yun po ang masarap. May cherry po sa taas. Yan po ang itsura. Sandali lang. Tawagin ko asawa ko. Sa kwarto siya. Bibigay ko. Ayun.
Run.
Can you try it? Do you like it? Oh my god. A messy room. Ayan. Can you face here? How is it?
Good, thank you.
Like it?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like it?
Appreciate it.
How you rate it?
10.
10?
10 out of 10.
Yeah, right. You just said it because I'm here.
No? Very good.
You like dessert a lot?
Mm-hmm.
Do you like that better? A lot? A lot? You. We're selling this too. If you guys want to order. No Lowe's motorcycles. And I'm